welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you heard by the title, we're going to be doing a 24-hour glow up challenge in less than 24 hours on YouTube. Y'all see the bust down 30-inch, big lashes, nails done, hair done, toes done, everything done but me. I'm the DIY queen. We're not going to be doing our nails and toes just because I like to go to the nail shop to get that done. I don't know how to do it myself, so we're just gonna wait. And I don't got the money as right now, if I'm being honest. We're baddie on the budget. I don't like press-on nails, so I'm gonna just rock my natural nails. I'm gonna be going from this to this in less than 24 hours. I leave for Miami tomorrow morning. I have to do my hair, I gotta do my eyebrows, gotta do my lashes. I have to shave my underarms. So we have a lot to do in less than 24 hours. Let's just get this video started. I am a baddie on a budget. We're gonna be doing everything ourselves. When it comes to our hair, I utilize a half wig. Why? Because I'm on a protective natural hair growth journey, and if you want to know about my journey, watch my hair videos. So we're going to be doing wash day, so I'm gonna take y'all on my wash day, and then I'm going to take you guys along the process of me doing my eyebrows and narrowing my eyebrows and just all of the great things. So if you're interested, you want to see me transform into a baddie, definitely keep on watching. Sorry. Coming in hot with the hairy underarms. We're gonna shave first because I don't want y'all to be seeing my hair underneath my arms, so I'm just gonna shave, and I'm gonna also narrow my legs and my stomach. I'm not gonna show that, but when you see me, when I lift up my arms, it's not gonna look like this no more. Is this embarrassing? I don't think so. I don't like to let my underarms get this bad just because I like to keep my underarm hair tamed, but I've been very busy. Like, I literally just got off work right now and we're clocking in into our second shift. But anyways, no, let's narrow ourselves. I'm going to show you guys me washing my hair. First things first, I'm going to be using my favorite shampoo and deep conditioner by Cream of Nature and Camilla Rose. This is how she looks before wash day, but first, let's turn on our favorite songs and sing. First things first, I'm starting off by sectioning off my hair into 4 sections. And then just applying my shampoo. Now this is a 2-in-1, so it's going to help you detangle your hair while also clean your hair. So I'm just running the shampoo all throughout my hair and scrubbing my roots. But anyways, after I'm finished with those sections, I'm just going to twist it up and then just repeat the same steps all over my head. And you guys, I think I found my secret to hair growth. I don't use a brush to detangle my hair. I only use my fingers, and I feel like this has been really helping for my hair to grow because I feel like a brush, it just snags at your hair. And I know for me, whenever I'm brushing my hair trying to detangle it, I'm just always in a rush. But it's like when you finger detangle, you actually have to be patient and get all of the knots out, and it causes less breakage. So I think that you should start to incorporate finger detangling instead of using the actual brush. So lastly, I'm getting ready for deep conditioning, and my hair gets dry really fast, so I like to go back in with warm water and re-wet my hair and then apply the conditioner onto my hair, twist it up, and then repeat those same steps all over my head. Wash day is complete. I have on my retainers, by the way. As you guys can see, my hair is unmoisturized. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes. Now I'm just going to put her in some ponytails, some 2 buns, and then continue on. Let me go sit under the dryer and let's continue on with this video. After this, I'm gonna just braid my hair. And typically for my protective styles, I like to braid the back of my head and then do a braid style in the front half of my head. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna just do our brows, lashes, and we're gonna be good. Like I said, I'm not doing my nails or anything. So let's continue. I've actually never showed you guys the length of my hair, so this is an updated length check. My hair has never been this long before, like ever, so I'm so thankful for natural hair growth. Next, I'm going in with my 2 favorite moisturizers, and then I'm going to apply it onto my hair, braid it up, and then we're going to get started on the hair tutorial soon.
You took it to a room and you backed it up too soon. Played it like a trick. I found out what I've been missing.
Hello girl, hello. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it is currently 6:39. Started around 1. I washed my hair is moisturized. Now all I have to do is just style my hair. But I'm not even gonna lie to you, girl, I just got back up from taking a nap. Before I took me a nap, I wanted to do my creative rubber band hairstyle and also the hairstyle that I did with parting my fro and kind of combine the 2 together to make it into another style. So I'm gonna just take y'all along this process, but without further ado, let's now style our hair. After that, we're gonna do brows, lashes, and then we're gonna be good with the video. So I'm gonna have a total of 3 sections on each side. So that first section is going to be a part going straight back, as you guys can see, and then within my second section I'll have 2 subsections. So as you guys can see, I'm just parting it horizontally, and then I'm just twisting up that section just to get it up and out of my way. So I don't know what happened to my footage, but the camera cut off while I was doing that first section with you guys. So as you guys can see, I just have a total of 2 sections, like I said. So within the first section, you're gonna have a total of 4 rubber band braids, and I just have a crisscross action going on. I'll explain more of it later. But within the second section, I just have 1 big twist. Now I'm just parting my hair into a tribal braid. So as you guys can see, I'm just parting straight back, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and braid that section. Don't you let me? We can leave the whole world behind. Moving on onto the second section. So within the first section, I'm just going to do a square braid. So I'm just parting my hair into a square and then just braid my hair along the parts. For that last section, I'll have a total of 4 rubber band braids. So this part is just super simple. Just make 4 simple parts.
and then I'm going to connect each diagonal braid together and twist that up into a bantu knot, and then I'm going to do the same thing for that second section. So for my last section, I'm just going to part my hair into a L. And then go along the braid. And then that last section will just be 4 crisscross braids.
Good. Go! Take it another time. Why do I keep falling for?
Lastly, like I said, I'm going to connect the 2 diagonal braids together and then wrap it up into a bantu knot.
Hey guys, just got back. I had to take a quick commercial break, but now we're back and I finished this side. So I hope that I explained everything well. If you do have any questions, let me know down below. As always, I'm gonna do this side off camera. I had to throw on my half wig, but this is just a gist of how the hairstyle is going to look. What you think so far? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? You think it's gonna be cute? I think it's gonna be cute, especially with my lashes. It's gonna be so cute. I don't really need lashes. I'm beautiful without the lashes, but like with lashes, it just enhances the whole look. But like I have to stop talking because it's 9 o'clock and I want to get done by at least 10:30. So let's take the half week off.
Let's nail our eyebrows. They're gonna need face nail, a rag, a spoolie, and a applicator. Now I typically use a cotton swab, but I don't have anymore. And then to apply your nail, you're just gonna apply it like you're applying concealer.
If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was kissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone, probably curse you out and number her phone. I bet she'd be glad that you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you. If your girl could only. He got big brown eyes, so he built nice. Ooh, coming on strong, 6-pack showing. He's too cool for his own shoes. Nothing rude, but way too short for me. I'm trying to be extra smooth, extra smooth. Extra cool, extra cute. Supposed to talk to you, baby. Don't come trying to be extra smooth. You got line for line, wasting my time. Running around, trying to catch my eye. Disturbing my groove, trying to be smooth. Get the ooh, you hit it. So
already. This is the final look. I really love how it came out. I tried to recreate my rubber band hairstyle and I wanted to add something different, so this is what we did. And comment down below, y'all let me know how I did. I think I did a great job. Like I said at the beginning of this video, we are currently on the road, on the way to Miami. Currently we're in Orlando right now. Yeah, I love when I give myself a makeover. Like this glow up 24-hour challenge was so fun to create, although I'm very tired. But like I said, y'all let me know how I did, and how I did. But without further ado, I really appreciate you guys. I thank you so much for just spending some time with me. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Oh, I wish you could try